Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of May 15th through the 21st in my catch-all happy planner using the spring kit by CoffeePlannerMom. First of all, this kit is beautiful. I'm obsessed, and I am an idiot and forgot to get her layering pieces, because if you guys have seen any of my plan with me's, you know I'm obsessed with using like journaling pieces, torn paper, layering pieces. But I got everything else, so that's okay. So she actually threw in the spring boxes when I ordered them, because when I had placed this order, I had ordered the boxes of every other kit that I had gotten except for spring, and she said that she thought that I had forgotten it. She is correct. I did forget. But she threw this in for me for free, which was super, super sweet. But I really love this kit. I'm excited to use it. And for this kit, it comes with the 4 sheets. So you get, you know, full boxes, you get half and quarter boxes, designed and plain. Then you get the functional set with the date covers and little fun things like that, and then a sheet of quotes and little other functional items. And when you get a certain amount of money, like whenever you spend a certain amount of money, you get freebies. So this is the $25 freebie and the $50 freebie, and they're usually the same, like with the same kind of design, but they change depending on like colors. And this one just so happened to be in the spring colorway, and I was very excited about this because now I'm going to use it in this spread. Maybe. I haven't decided. I just love this kit and I knew I wanted to use it, and I have some washi here that I think will go with the colors pretty well. Maybe not the green. I don't know. I feel like the green works, but maybe not the blue. We'll figure it out when I lay everything down. But we're going to go ahead and get into my spread. And if you saw last week's video, that was using the Mother's Day celebration kit, well, deco from Growing Modestly. So if you missed that video, go check it out because it was fun. Okay, so we're going to move the washi out of the way, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, this is a fun week because I'm going down to see my mom and dad just for a couple of days on the 19th and 20th, and that is actually my weekend. So maybe we should go ahead, and I guess it's not an actual weekend anymore because I'm off on a Saturday. But what I was going to say was maybe we should go ahead and start with that. Let me see these colors, because I'm thinking this looks like grass. I'm thinking I'm going to use it on the bottom, and it definitely goes with the colors. But let's see about this blue. I don't think this blue is going to work, but this pink will. So what I'm going to do first is, if it will come up, here we go. I don't remember if I mentioned where I got this washi from. I'm pretty sure I got it from Dollar Tree. My mom gave it to me, so that's where it came from. It came from my mom. So if she knows where it came from, then I will tell her to put it in the comments so you guys can find out where it came from. But I'm going to line the top with the washi, and then I'm going to lay these date covers down, and then we'll use the weekend banner, because I want to cover up the numbers as well. And I want to make sure I don't cover up the dates, which is why I'm doing the dates first and then putting the weekend banner down. And usually I start with my sidebar, but because I was already thinking about my weekend, I decided it would be better to do it first over here. These date covers are beautiful. Like, look at them. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Okay, now we're going to use the weekend banner. And I'm going to try is the good word here, to have Sunday off as well, but I probably won't get that opportunity. So we're just going to keep the weekend in the center here. And I know it's off center, but that's okay because hopefully I will get Sunday off and that will be covered. Okay, what I'm going to do now, because I don't want to forget to use this green washi, I'm going to put it down at the bottom. Oh my goodness, I just ripped it. Yeah, my mom doesn't use thin washi very much, so she was like, you can have this washi. I never use thin washi, and I very happily said yes. I love washi so much. I use it all the time, if you guys aren't already aware. So, my whole thought thing of, you know, this side was that I needed to put a to-do list because I'm going to be away. I've got a lot of things that I need to get done before we go. So that's going to be for here. And we're going to use, I think we're going to use this fancy box here because I like that it's colored. I have a whole Coffee Planner Mom section, I think. Yes, I do. Here it is. Okay. Now we've got to get our, see, I have to-dos. Okay. We're going to do this script because this is the script I like to use most often, as you can tell. And I do have the tiny to-dos as well. I need to get more, like, scripts because I use those a lot. And I don't know, her writing is beautiful. She hand does these, if you guys did not know. I was on a PR for Coffee Planner Mom back in, I think it was in July of 2022. Yeah, because I ended my PR on the birthday. September was when my PR was over. So, yeah, I have a lot of scripts from when I was on the PR, and I'm using them up now. Okay, so now let's do the sidebar before I forget. And I'm going to go with here because this is where I do my work schedule. Oh, no, it's crooked. I don't know if I have a work script. I don't think I do, but that's okay because I will just get rid of that and put a box down. Which box should we use? I think we're going to do this one because it matches that. Ooh, but hold on. New thought. I want to use this one. Okay, this is my work schedule. Oh, I forgot. I do need this because it has all of my Coffee Planner Mom habit trackers. And I think we're gonna go with, I have 3 different colors here. I meant to get the pastel, or not the pastels, the spring, just so that I have a lot of color options, but I forgot. I think we can use the pastels in this light pink color. And maybe we could do another color. Let's see. The blue is a little too vibrant, but I think the pink will work. Oh, we could use this green because it's like, it's the same colors. Come on. There we go. I do. Next time I place an order, because I know at the time I'm going to be filming this, she hasn't released her new releases, because she shared that she was releasing, she had a new release coming out on Friday, which it is Thursday right now, so at the time of me filming, she has not released any information on what is in the new release, but don't worry, guys. I am excited. I will be buying things. So we want to do a this week. And I'm going to move that down just a bit in case I want to add washi. And let me make sure this isn't crooked because I am very bad at that. Okay, and then I want to use these because I like to do like a top 3 list. So I think we're going to do pink, pink, and blue. And then our, oops, habit trackers. You know what I realized? I could probably put a box up here. Okay, hold on. Make sure we got some room for our washi. We're going to move everything down a little bit. That will be enough room for something fancy. Maybe this box. Yeah. Ah! Oh no. Okay, here. We got to white out the green here. Okay, I think that's good. Make sure we line it up. There we go. Oh, that's better. Okay, I like that. I should probably do the date covers on this side now. And should we do green or pink washi? I think we're going to do pink. And then the green across the bottom. Okay. We've got something starting now, and I don't think we're going to use, oh, you know what I just realized? I totally could have used those too. Ugh, what an idiot. Oh man, I'm so mad at myself. Oh well, okay. Well, anyway, I'm going to say we're not going to use this one. I'm going to put it to the side. I'll save that for another week. I think it's time to add some deco. So let's do, I really want to do this one. And, maybe this. Again. And then maybe a quote. Let's see, we've got a couple. I do like this quote. Spring is nature's way of saying let's party, by Robin Williams, R.I.P. Amazing man. Okay. Like that. And let's put this guy over here. I kind of like that. But you know what we could do? I know I said I wasn't going to use this, but now I'm thinking I could put a box here. That's cute. Okay. I do want to use the April Showers quote, and I'm going to put it right over the quote that comes on the Happy Planner pages, because that's cuter. And I do need to go ahead, before I forget, and do another checklist, just for my brain to not freak out. Let's do yellow. We don't have a lot of yellow here. And then I want to get a box. I think we're going to do green. I'm going to have to cut one of these bullet points off so that I have enough room for the box, which is okay. Okay. I think it's time to add some boxes and deco, and then I think we're done. Alright everyone, that is it for this week's plan with me in my catch-all happy planner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in love with the bright colors and the happy design of the spread. I love Brittany's designs. She hand draws all of her stuff and it's just always so beautiful. If you guys are interested in purchasing from CoffeePlannerMom, getting any of her kits or her beautiful deco sheets, I will leave her information down in the description box below. Like I said on this video, I am not on a PR for her, but I love her designs, I love her stickers, and she's just got some amazing stuff. And there is a current PR team. I will leave her Instagram post of the PR team announcement in the description as well, so you guys can check that out. And you can use one of their codes to save 15% off. Whenever I order from CoffeePlannerMom, I always try and use one of their codes because I want to make sure that they are also getting some fun things as well. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I share all different kinds of crafting content, from art prompt journal books to polymer clay, of course planners, and lots of other stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the different content that I share, they're listed in various categories down in the description box below in different playlists, so you can check that out whenever you're interested, or if you just want to see what other kinds of content I share. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and it lets me know you guys are interested in seeing more of what I post. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, or if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. My schedule is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and very occasionally I'll throw in a Friday video. So if you guys are interested in following along my crafting journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!